Let me show you how I make this delicious abacha step by step. These are the ingredients that we are using, guys. This is abacha itself. This is a bonga fish, crayfish, and we have a uba. I don't know the name in English. This is potash, guys, as you can see. So after that, this is the abacha itself, which is called Africa salad. So I added hot water inside to make it soft, guys. Okay, guys, even the ugba, I added hot water because the ugba was dry. I needed it to be soaked. After adding the hot water, I cover it for like 2 minutes to 3 minutes before sieving the water away. So here is the palm we are using to make this abacha. We are making using of palm oil. And when you are doing it, don't allow your pot to be hot. Don't allow the oil to be hot. This one you see me holding is potash. So when you are mixing it, you go in with a little potash and mix. Make sure you add it little by little if you want to make this abacha. Don't add it too much. You understand what I'm saying? Don't add it too much if you want to make delicious abacha. Just use this method that I'm using if you want to make your abacha. This is actually my first time on making abacha, and it really comes out very, very, very yummy, guys. I really love it, guys. Just see the consistency that I get on this video. So when you are using potash, you see this kind of consistency. You cannot go in with your ingredients, the ingredients, maggi, salt, anyone you want to use, you cannot add it inside. As you can see me doing it now, wife material, they show you all these things. So after turning it, I have to add maggi inside. This is maggi. I break one maggi inside. You can use as many as you like, depends of the quantity you are making. So this is salt. I added salt. Don't add too much salt so that it will not be salty. So I make use of a dry pepper. You can use fresh pepper if you want to make it, guys. So I make use of dry pepper. So after adding it, I have to turn it together. As a wife material that I am, I turn it, as you can see on this video. This abacha is very, very yummy and delicious. I won't lie. Okay, guys, this is bonga fish. I added bonga fish inside so that everything will come out very well. After adding it, I started turning it, as you can see on this video. So this is a crayfish. I brained the crayfish before using it, so I added the crayfish inside. While some people used to fry their crayfish if they want to make use of it, they dry it for fire, brand it, they will use it. So I also add onions. After adding it, I turn it together, as you can see me doing all day. Now wife material, they show you so. Now wife material, they show you how to make abacha. If you want to learn how to make abacha, just come here and learn how to make it step by step, guys. So this is ugba itself. This is the ugba. I don't know the name in English, so I added the ugba. After adding it, I have to turn it together as a wife material that I am. You can see the consistency now. So here is the abacha. So it's time for us to add the abacha. So as you can see, I use hot water to soak it. Okay, guys, you can see the smoke that is coming out from the abacha, guys. It's because I just bring it out from the hot water I used to soak it, guys. As you can see on this video, when you are making it, don't turn on your gas. So don't turn on your gas, because if you turn on your gas, you are going to spoil it. Do it this process I used to make this abacha. This abacha was so yummy, and the chicken sauce that make too, they were very, very, very delicious. I really love it, but my kids don't like it. They don't want to eat. They say which kind of food be this, because they haven't tasted it before. They say, no, mama, no, because I question. Guys, share this video. This is how I turn it. But if you want to make your abacha, don't overturn it. This is like I overturn it, as you can see on this video. So I overturn it. The thing was now short. So guys, if you want to make your abacha, don't overturn it, guys. I really love the taste so that come out of this abacha. Nothing where wife material no fit do. So at last I turn on the gas so that the thing will hot. You just turn on your gas a little, use it to mix it together a little, you turn it off back. So I added onions. No, I don't have leaf to put here. We don't have leaf, we only have dry leaf, so we cannot able to use the dry leaf. If you want to use your pumpkin leaf, you can use pumpkin leaf. You slice it and my people, rate this food now. Just rate this food. This is my fourth time. It really comes out well, guys. My guys, share this video. I love you. I'll see you on my next video. Ciao.